Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Scorpio. How do they feel about you, your person feelings, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this is timeless reading when you are going to watch this video, and this reading is for you. So let's see your person current feelings, Scorpio. So Scorpio, let's see your person feelings. Page of Cups, Judgment, Ace of Pentacles. Definitely those who are in separation, your person want to come towards you and ask for second chance. They will thinking like this, they want to apologize you, messages coming in your way, definitely Scorpio, and your person want to offer Ace of Pentacles, long term commitment to you. Definitely for those who are in separation, your person want to reconcile with you. Definitely your person want to apologize you. So let's see their actions towards you in the near future. Scorpio, your person actions towards you. So let's see your person actions. 8 of Pentacles, 9 of Wands, 5 of Swords. I think it is you guarded up some issues already. I told you there is separation because there are some disputes are going to be end, and your person now want to work on this relationship very seriously, because 8 of Pentacles is slow but stable. Your person want to work on this relationship seriously. Definitely I think it is you guarded up, but your person want to work on this relationship. So he will come towards you and ask for second chance, definitely, because now your person is serious. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Wow, 6 of Cups. The Lovers. Your person could be Gemini, you could be Magician. Yeah. 8 of Cups. Definitely there is separation in past. 8 of Cups. I think it is you walked away, or your person could be the Magician, and once again one person in this connection manifests this connection again in their lives. Definitely there is love. Gemini, Lovers, definitely there is love between both of you, and I think your person feels strong soulmate connection or past life connection with you. That's why your person want to reconcile with you again. He knows you both after separation, definitely, and he want to end this conflict between both of you. 5 of Swords. Sometimes it is giving up on this disputes, not connection. Definitely I think it is you guarded up, but your person want to come towards you, offer reconciliation, and 6 of Cup, love to you, and definitely your person want to work on this relationship. He want to give commitment to you. So definitely there is love between both of you. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.